Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tony Esu and I'm a beauty and lifestyle blogger based in Nigeria. If you're just joining, welcome, and you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Alright, so today's video I'm going to be telling you guys 5 weird facts about me. Yeah. I mean, we look, really nice, but I have some really weird things and I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, so weird fact number 1, I have love-shaped nostrils. Um, I'm going to show you guys in a bit, but let me just say how I came about this. So I found this, or somebody told me about this in secondary school. That's like high school, and I was kind of standing, and she was sitting, and then she looked at me. Oh my god, you have love shaped nostrils. And I quickly got a mirror and I checked, and legit is love shaped. Like I don't know how or when it formed or how long I've had it, but I don't know. It's just it's weird. It's weird and cool. I feel like it's really cool, but it's weird for some people. It's cool. Anyway, let me see if I can show you guys. Hope my nose is clean. um, I don't know if you guys can see. I have love shapes, nose strings, and they're almost like perfect love shapes or heart shapes. So yeah. Does that make me weird? Let me know. Is that weird or is that cool? Because me, I think it's cool, but some people it's like weird. Anyway, for me, it's cool, but weird. All right. So yeah, I have lush shaped nostrils, and I'm really proud of them. I like them. Okay. So moving on. The second weird fact about me is that I was born with 6 fingers. Yes. Um, I was born with 6 fingers, but I mean they cut it off, but I still have the like should I say mark or the yeah. So let me show you. I have on my 2 hands and on one feet or foot. I don't know, but I get just one on my right foot. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Oh, you guys can see. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see it's like this up here, then here. Okay, so I can't show you the one on my feet anyway, but then I was born with, they call it 6 fingers. And all I know is that they said, um, I mean, I don't know what it looks like, but according to what they told me, it's like, I mean, it wasn't full, but it was like grown a little, but then they tied it and cut it off. But anyway, this is it. This very well, 6 fingers. Weird? Am I weird? Is it weird or is it cool? Most of these weird facts about me, I mean, for me, I feel it's like cool is what makes me special. But yeah, to most people, it's weird. But yeah, anyway, moving on to weird fact number 3. Um, this I kind of came to know a bit recently, but not so recent. But I didn't talk like as a child or as a baby. I didn't say a word, nothing till about 3, 4 thereabouts, according to my mom. Um, and they thought I was deaf and dumb. I feel like if you know me, or I think I've said it in one of my videos, that I'm really introverted. I'm so introverted, and I've been introverted from the womb or from birth. But then basically what they said is that I didn't talk like when I mean like baby talk, like not even like just to leave ABCD or hello or mommy or daddy, like nothing. Like not baby talk, not baby babble, nothing. I didn't talk till like I was 3. And even that talking when I was 3 was not like serious talking, just like one word here and there. Anyway, according to my mom, I was they thought I was deaf and dumb. Like they legit, like they took me to the hospital. They got people to come and look at me and stuff. Didn't have to check my tongue because I was not talking, nothing. I was not responding. I wasn't even the crying baby, so it was like I was like a robot. So I was like, I don't know. Anyway, so they said I didn't talk. They thought I was deaf and dumb. Um, Apparently there was a particular doctor that checked me and saw that, oh no, that there's nothing wrong with me, that's just my personality, and then when I'm ready to talk, I'll talk. It's not like I don't know how to talk, like I know how to talk, but when I'm ready. And that was it. So Am I weird or was that weird? I mean, I feel like it's weird, and I feel like, I mean, if I was a parent, I'd be concerned, but I'm fine. I turned out fine. I turned out fine. Weird. Okay. Okay. So, weird fact number four. I don't know if I should be. I'm not proud of this one. I'm not proud of it though. But I feel like I should have done or should have done this or more than this. Anyway, I have only had a pedicure once in my entire life as an adult young girl. Anyway, but I feel like this is weird. I mean, is it weird? I'm not as girly as people think I am, but so God, what am I babbling? Me self, I'm even ashamed of myself. I've only had pedicure once in my life, like once in my 25 going to 26 years in my entire life, and no, my feet don't look crusty or whatever, but like lucky me, they look decent. But I've been planning every time. I don't know. Hopefully, I'll have a pedicure before the year, but I don't know. I feel like it's weird for like girl when people look at me. I'm like, how can you really have pedicure? I mean, I paint my toenails, but like like the pedicure, like so I get your feet massage and scrub. For me, I feel it's weird because everybody around me, my friends, every young girl my age, everybody like they get pedicure every other day or every other week. Sorry. So is that good? Am I weird? Am I weird? But seriously, I need to get a pedicure. I mean, just to feel good and stuff. So the fifth, or I don't know what number it is, but I think it's the fifth. So the fifth weird fact about me is that um I don't like fruits. Or I don't eat fruits. Um I don't know, like my mom said this has been a childhood thing. So I don't crave fruits and I don't eat it and I feel like fruits taste weird. Not taste weird, like they're too sweet. I mean, I'm more of a spice girl. I am a spice girl. And I find fruits too sweet and slappy. So, first of all, I don't even crave them. And second of all, I don't really like to take them because of the really sweet nature. So, in all my life, I can probably count the amount of times that I've actively eaten fruits. I mean, can I count? Well, it's not that much, but in a year, I can eat fruits, let's say, highest, well, 10 is even a lot, but let's just say highest 10 times. And that's just because I like push myself. Although recently I warmed up to apple, so it's only apple I eat. But me, fruit, we're not. I rather choose like spice, chicken, turkey over fruits. Like it just, it's just too sweet. I don't know. Am I bred? I mean, my friend says I'm lucky that for someone that does not eat fruits and I still have good skin and I look healthy. Yeah, I mean, it's been from childhood, though, so I really don't like fruits, and it's just now that I'm trying to um um force myself, not force or encourage myself or push myself to eat fruit. And honestly, the only thing I can manage or I can eat now is an apple. Okay, it's just an apple. Am I weird? Does that make that weird? Yeah, anyway, okay. So I'm going to give you guys a bonus weird fact about me. And that's because I eat Milo with a lot of things. So Milo is like a chocolate powdered beverage that we take it's for tea, mostly tea, but me, I don't even use it for tea. So recently I started using Milo. I use Milo for Gary. You guys know Gary, like white Gary, yellow Gary, like Gary water. Gary water, milk, Milo, sugar. I take it alone, I take it with beans or moi moi. Anyway, so I love like Milo over milk. Then recently I started taking Milo with Golden Mon. Golden Mon is like a cereal. Babies, they say it's for babies, but to me, I think it's for everybody. But anyway, Golden Mon and cereal, guys, like it bangs. Like it's really nice. It's like this chocolatey thing. I know some of you are looking at me like, what's wrong with this girl? But really, like, you need to try it. Like, don't hate. Like, just try it first. Milo and Golden Mon is fab. There are things I use Milo for. Milo and cereal, Milo and pap, Milo and custard, Milo and I don't want to list, but I am in Milo. Is that what? Should I say fanatic? Anyway, you should get my point. I love Milo so much and I use Milo. It's Golden Mon, it's Milo seeds. Gary and stuff like that. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, so that's some of the weird facts about me. Honestly, for me, I feel they're cool. Some of you may find it weird, but for some, I think it's cool. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Am I weird? Like, am I weird? Like, I don't know, just let me know in the comment section. Okay. Also tell me what weird fact about you as well. I would like to learn, I would like to know. I would like to feel like I'm not the only weird person in this world. So let me know what one or two weird facts about you in the comment section. And yeah. Alright, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. It's free. Please subscribe, support me. It's been a while and I'm trying to get back into YouTube. So I really appreciate your support. Subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, thumbs up. What else? Yeah, just show some love, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.